So in this video, my friend, I'm going to talk about my experience that if you're someone who want to build a high-ticket business model from scratch, from zero, then what are the core element, core principle that you have to consider so that you are able to build a high-ticket business model, okay? And if you don't know me, my name is Raj. I'm helping people, expert, coaches who want to build a high-ticket business model in their business. That's what I'm helping. And if you, my friend, if you want to understand that how you can build a business and how you can scale your business, how you can convert into a high-ticket business model, then I have created a 30-minute of short video, a course. You can watch that, okay? You will find the description, if you find the link in the description box or maybe in the comment box, you can go there and you can understand that the principle, the science behind creating a business which can be high-ticket business model, okay? So now let's start this video and let's understand, my friend, that what are the core principles that you can apply in your business and you can build a high-ticket business model, okay? So number one, which is very important, very important, and a lot of people fail here, is finding a niche. Okay, niche is very common word. It is not a rocket science, okay? But where the people fail, they believe that I'm targeting the right people, okay? Let me give example. Let me explain how the niche is so important. And if you guys, if you want to build a high ticket business model, then niche is so important, okay? Let us consider there are two people. There are two taxi drivers. Let's assume there are two taxi drivers, okay? And both the taxi driver has the same skill, right? They know how to drive a car, right? They know that how to pick up a people from point A to point B. They drop them, right? So both the drivers, they have the same skill set, but the working model are different. Let's suppose the driver number one, okay? He's targeting people who can be anyone, any common passenger, who want to travel from point A to point B. Let's suppose the people who want to go to the airport, okay, point A to point B, they want to go to airport. So driver number one, he is targeting any people, it can be anyone who are interested to travel, who want to go to airport. And number two driver, okay, he's very clever, he's very smart. So he want to build a high ticket business model. So this driver number two, he's not targeting everyone. He is targeting only people who are manager, who are executive, okay, who want to join meetings or who want to go to airport, okay? You can see the difference. Both the driver, their driving skill are same, right? They know the driving skill, but they are targeting different set of people. One person is targeting everyone, and one person is targeting only niche people, only rich people who have the urgency, right? And who can pay better, who can pay more, right? So now tell me, my friend, in which case you feel that building a high ticket model is easy, or it is really possible in number one or number two? Obviously your answers will be number two, right? So this is the main crux of building a high ticket business model, is you have to find a right niche. You have to find the right target audience, right? If you start targeting everyone, there is no chance that you can build a high ticket business model. So thing is, you have to find the right people, right niche, and especially if you build a high ticket business model, you have to target rich people, okay? So if you want to become rich, if you can solve a rich problem, you have the skill set that you can solve a rich people problem, automatically you are going to become a rich, okay? So you have to find a rich niche where your audience is capable of paying, they have a pain point, okay? And if you have the skill set to address, to solve the problem, obviously you will charge more, and even you can serve better for those people, okay? So the concept here is that the principle is that you have to find a rich niche. You should not be a generic, okay? If you become a generic, nobody will pay you, and you cannot charge premium. If you want to charge premium, you have to become a specialist, and you have to find a right audience so that you can help them, you can support them, okay? So this is the number one point. And number two point, if you really want to build a high ticket business model, is your offer, okay? Because see, if you're targeting rich people, okay, and these rich people are not full, okay? So if you're targeting them, then you have to build an offer so that your rich people can understand your offer and they can accept you, right? So in the selling part, if you really, because this is the high ticket business product, right? It is not a low ticket, right? So in the high ticket, why people will choose you? What you're offering basically, so that you can convince the people, okay, hey, you join my program, you can join my course, or whatever, you buy my product, right? So your offer should be very profound. For example, your offer can have, like, suppose some guarantee, maybe you can achieve the result in some time frame, something like that. Okay, your execution, fast execution, delivery is fast. So something like that, you have to build an offer, because in the selling, offer is very important. This is number 2. And number 3, which is very, very important, a lot of people ignore that, is the client retention. I repeat, client retention is very important. You have to build a model, okay, in your business model, so that, let's suppose you acquire one client, a high paying client, right? And you're able to serve them, you're able to help them with your product, with your services, right? After that, do you have another plan? Do you have another kind of maybe service or product, so that you can help them again to solve another problem, right? So you have to think about your customer journey. If a customer, you're getting a customer, then what are the journey, right? Because if you're solving one problem, maybe you acquire a client, right, and you're solving just one problem. After solving one problem, there will be another problem for your customer, right? And they want the solution. So do you have that system, that thing that you can help them, right? So you have to think about that. What can be my customer journey, and what are the other problem I can solve? And you can build a business around that. What will happen here? If you acquire a customer, if you're able to retain them, you don't have to put money on the ad, right? Your cost for acquisition will be zero, right? Because you already acquire, your customer know you, you have the trust, you have the authority, and your customer understand your services, right? So there will be high chance, if you offer something new service for your existing client base, right? The high chance they will go with you on the journey, right? So you have to think about that. What are the different levels, different stages, different journeys I can build in my current program, in my current product line, so that I can retain my customer. Not only retain, I can keep adding more values, right, in their journey, so that your client will keep paying you, and you don't have to acquire new client. And this is the perfect business model. This is good for customer also, right? Even the customers, the client, he's also evolving, he also learning. His profit is going to become 2x or 3x. So that's what you have to build, my friend. If you're thinking that, okay, I will acquire the customer, I will do a service, and he is gone, it is not possible. You have to acquire them, you have to build a system to retain them, keep adding value, keep adding more services, and keep helping your customer. Your focus should be on the customer growth, their business growth, okay? Only then your customer, your client will stick with you. Otherwise, it is very difficult to retain your customer. This is number 3. And number 4, which is very, very important, is your positioning, okay? In the high ticket business model, if you want to build it, how do you position yourself? If you're positioning that I'm very generic, I'm for everyone, right, then it is very low chance you will be able to build a high ticket model. So positioning play a very important role. I explained the first example. I had two drivers, okay? I'm giving one more example. Let's suppose there's one lady, okay, and she want to help people want to lose weight. This is her niche, okay? Just understand the positioning part, okay? This example I'm just putting to explain you the positioning, how the positioning plays a very important role. So this lady, okay, she want to help people to lose weight, okay? So now let's suppose there are two ladies, there are two coaches, okay? The first lady, she is targeting housewife who want to lose their weight. This is number 1. And second lady, the second coach, she's targeting executives. She's targeting managers, the top position, who want to become young, who want to become beautiful, who want to lose the weight. Now see the difference in the positioning. The first lady, she's targeting all the housewife, maybe student, or all the housewife, right? But the second lady, she's targeting executive manager leaders. Okay, so the positioning are different, right? So the second lady, she is not available for everyone. She is only serving from a specific group of people, right? So this is the positioning. This is what you have to think about, how you are positioning yourself. You are positioning as a specialist, only targeting a specific, very niche kind of people, or you're targeting everyone, right? So if you're targeting everyone, then you are for nothing. You're for no one, right? So your positioning play a very important role, and that's what you have to think about. And last one, in this process, if you want to build a high-ticket model from scratch, the important skill that you have to learn is the sales and closing skill. Let's imagine that you are getting client, right? Maybe through your funnel, through your advertisement, whatever you are set up the funnel, sales funnel. Through your sales funnel, people are coming to your funnel, right? And you're getting good client. Whatever you're targeting, you're getting the good client. But let's suppose you are not able to close them. Your sales skill is not good. Your closing skill is not good. You're not able to close them. Maybe you are not building a good offer. There could be multiple reasons, right? So everything is going to fail. Everything is going to collapse, right? If you don't have a closing skill, sales skill, offering skill, negotiation skill, then it is not possible to sell high ticket offer, right? So your sales skill, your closing skill, it is super important. And if you're missing this skill, it is not possible to build high ticket model. Okay, so I hope you understand the basic concept. What are the key ingredients? What are the key components required you to build a high ticket model? I think the super important, you have to start with the niche. Okay, your positioning play very important role. How do you position yourself? What kind of audience you're targeting? Are you targeting the right audience or not? What is your messaging? What you are putting the messaging so that your audience is connecting with you, right? And your obviously your marketing skill, your sales skill, your closing skill, this all things play very important role. So it starts from your right targeting to closing. Okay, this way, if you're able to combine this whole thing, you are able to build a high ticket business model. Okay, so my friend, just put me a comment that what did you learn in this video, and what you think that if you believe that I'm not able to build a high ticket model, then where you're lacking, where is the gap in your business model? Just try to put me in the comment. I will see and I will reply. Okay, and if you're someone who believe that I can help you, you want to connect with me, and in your business model, you want to get review. Okay, you want to get the one-to-one discussion with me to just understand that your business model is right. You want to make some change in the business model, do connect with me. You will find a link in the description box, maybe in the comment box. You can connect with me directly. Okay, or you want to watch my my video course where I'm explaining that how you can build a business from scratch and how you can convert your business into a high skill model, high ticket model. You will watch that. The link is there. Okay, so this is all in this video, my friend. I hope you understand the key basic point behind the science behind building a high ticket business model, that what exactly you have to consider if you want to get success in this business. This is Raj signing off. I will see you next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.